Hey guys, Sii Company from Marquette, Michigan, and today I'm going to be showing you the installation of the Alpha Gen 2 LED kit for the Ski-Doo Summit. This is from Sii High Performance LED, and it's really cool. It's a plug-and-play kit. Doesn't require any sort of modifications. It's going to replace the stock bulbs and give us a lot more output for light. Nice thing with the Alpha Gen 2 kit over the original version, same bulbs, same output, but the drivers are about a third of the size, so that's going to make fitting them under the glove box much easier. Real simple. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're going to pop the windshield off and the glove box lid. We're going to remove the two Torx screws holding the gauge cluster on, so you can pop that off and unclip the plug from the back. That'll allow you to take out the glove box. Unclip the two factory headlight bulbs. Those come out with a quarter turn. Put your new LED bulbs in with the same quarter turn. I found it easier to look through the headlights so you could line up the tabs. And then you simply connect the drivers to the new bulbs and also to the stock headlight clips. Put the glove box back in. Put your gauge cluster back on. Screw that back down. Put your glove box lid back on and your windshield. And there you go. You're ready to rock with much brighter new LED lights. Pick yours up today from SIICompany.com.